Thank you for watching our Spectra StorCycle series of how-to videos. In this video, we will cover how to obtain and install license keys for StorCycle. During new installations, Spectra's professional services team will obtain and install all StorCycle licensing. This procedure applies to customers who are either obtaining new keys, upgrade keys, or have changed the server that StorCycle is installed on. Before obtaining a license key from SpectraLogic, you will need to get the UUID of the server that StorCycle is being installed on. To get the UUID from a Windows machine, first launch the command prompt from the Windows server. Next, enter the following command: WMIC space CS product space get space UUID. The output of this command is your server's unique universal identifier, or UUID, which is a 32-character string. Copy and paste the UUID string into an email and send it to support@spectralogic.com. Spectra's support team will then take the UUID and generate the appropriate license keys for your product. You will receive an email from SpectraLogic which includes your license details as well as your license keys. Each key provided by SpectraLogic will be copied and pasted into the StorCycle management GUI. License and SSL information can be found under the Settings or Gear icon. The icon is located in the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard. Only StorCycle administrators have access to system settings. Click on the gear and a drop-down menu will populate on the screen. Select Licenses and SSL Certificates. This will bring you to the license input page. In this video, we will be entering a data center base license, which allows for up to 100 users. Other available StorCycle licenses and keys that we are not inputting today include a support key, non-Spectra NAS capacity, and cloud capacity licensing. You will see two options for loading licenses: load licenses and request beta key. The request beta key option is used as a temporary activation to overcome installation timing issues. For this video, we will use the load license option. In the input field on load licenses, we will paste a license which we received in the email from SpectraLogic. After the key is pasted, hit submit. For this example, we are only pasting data center base license. If multiple StorCycle license keys were emailed from SpectraLogic, repeat the load license step until all licenses are loaded. Once a valid license key is installed, you may proceed to the next steps of StorCycle configurations.